Tasya Padharavindam Kinjalkamishra Tulasi Makarandavayu Antargatasva Vivarena Chakaratesham Sanshobhamakshara Jusham Apichitta Tanvo Apichitta Tan. You know, for those, for the heart that is getting purified, it is Bhagavan inside the japa, Bhagavan outside the japa. But just that the japa time is, do not disturb, board laga ke, for the people, for the mind and for every. That is a non-stop, undisturbed time with Bhagavan in the Nama, which just places us on a different realm. That's the time. That's the time with japa, with Bhagavan. Cheto Darpanamarchanam Bhavamahadavagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhivartanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Samkirtanam. Yehi samsparsha jabhoga dukkha yene yonayeva te. Dukkha yonaya evate. One side Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Japa goes on. Yeah, that's all going on in the air. But what's happening inside? Inside the mind? Yehi samsparsha jabhoga. The mind is very active. What to do next? Things of this world and different labels on it, because it's my responsibility, because what to do, what not to do, or whatever label it is, but the mind is busy. For what? Samsparsha jabhoga. When to do this, when to do that, when to think this, when to think that. Where is the need to think about anything at all? When this thinking itself is the very source of misery, don't we hear it? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. What are we hearing if we don't understand this? Yehi samsparsha jabhoga dukkha yonaya evate. Stop thinking with this mind to do something in this world. That itself, this thought itself will be a cause of misery. You have Bhagavan here. Be with the Bhagavan in the Nama. Then it will be a source of happiness, source of auspiciousness. Only when we are with Bhagavan in the Nama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, and fill this mind with the Nama. So there is no other thought, but only Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then, and only then, we will be able to do the things of world better. Because when the Nama is filling the mind, then the Buddhi Vikasita, then the intelligence blossoms. Then Krishna is giving us the intelligence inside. When the mind is filled with the Nama, it means Krishna is giving us the intelligence inside of how to do things in this world. He will give us the intelligence. It will automatically happen. We just have to fill our mind with the Nama. Then Krishna automatically gives us the intelligence of how to navigate through this world. all the material responsibilities also, then what is the need to think of anything during japa? Other than just filling this mind with the nama, what is the need to think of anything? When Krishna is already giving us the intelligence of how to do things of this world, it will come. It will come when the mind is filled with the nama. Then you will see. You will see how you will get the intelligence of how to do things properly here in this world, responsibilities properly. पहले तो ये करना. Fill the mind with the nama, then you will see how Krishna will give the intelligence. Without filling the mind with nama, how will the intelligence come? How will the miseries go away? So, japa means nama inside, nama outside, mind filled with nama. So the intelligence can get clear and stronger, even to perform our responsibilities and navigate through this world. This is the most assuring way, most practical way, the complete way to get rid of all the miseries and to prevent all the miseries. This is not just theoretical, very practical. Fill the mind with the nama. Then Krishna will give the intelligence to walk through this world and to come to him. Ananyas chintayanto mam ejana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nam Namakari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shakti Tatrarpitani Amita Smaranena Kala. Etatrashi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durtaiva Mitrishamiha Chenina Nuragaham. Trinadapi Sunichena Taroriva Sahishnuna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Once we are waking up to this fact of what Sri Bhagavan Vacha is, that he is saying, Ananyas Chintayanto Mam Ye Jana Paryupasate, you fill yourself with my nama, with my thought. I will take care of all of your things. Wake up to this fact. To Sri Bhagavan Vacha. It is not just a theory. These are Bhagavan's words. So as we wake up to the fact, then we will see that things happen. Then Kirtaniya Sadahari. No one can stop us from doing Kirtaniya Sadahari because we are waking up to this fact. Then Nadanam Najanam Nasundarim Kavitam Vajagati Shakamaye Mama Janmani Janmanishwari Bhavatat Bhaktiya Haitukitvai. Then you got it. You see, whatever Bhagavan is saying is actually true. You see it happening. Then what would you ask? Yeah, Bhavatat Bhaktiya Haitukitvai. Bhagavan, nothing else. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Vishame Bhavam Buddhavam. Kripayam Tava Pada Pankaja Stita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. So what is happening now? Nate Shuramate Buddha. Now that Dehi Yehi Samsparsha Jabhoga, because now that we are waking up to the fact, waking up to Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, we don't have any asakti for ramate of this samsparsha jabhoga. There is no inclination to indulge anything materially because there is greater taste that is being relished inside. Then, oh, Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Yes, this is completely waking up to who we are. Yes, Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Very kindly, please place us as saffron dust particles at your lotus feet, please. Far from the ocean, poisonous ocean of these modes. Oh, is this really happening, Bhagavan? Yes, please. Kindly place us as saffron dust particles at your lotus feet. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Nayanam galadashrudaraya vadanam gadgadaruddhaya giram pulakayur nichitayur vapukada tava nama grihanim bhavishyati. Then yogayitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena. Now this is a different addiction. No more material indulgence, but intoxicated with the nectarian lotus feet of Bhagavan. Aslishyavam padaratam pinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karotuvam yeda tadha vidadhatav lampato prananathastu sayevana paraham. Prananatha. Shri Harinama Gopinatha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Taramatya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadham Nama Lele Paye Premadhana Kali Kala Nama Rupe Krishna Avatara Nama Hete Haya Sarva Jagatanistara. If we are looking for Bhagavan in Kali Yuga, he is here in the Krishna Nama. And this avatar of Bhagavan, Krishna Nama, is here to deliver all the souls. That's why Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. Everything is here. The Nama, the Rupa, the Guna, the Leela, whole spiritual. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री वासादि गौर भक्त श्री हरिनाम प्रभु जय श्री शिक्षाष्टकम जय आचार्य भगवान